Tornadoes are vertical funnels containing rapidly rotating air. Their winds can exceed 250 miles per hour and clear a trail 1 mile wide by 50 miles long. Tornadoes, sometimes known as twisters, form during thunderstorms and are often accompanied by hail. The most catastrophic tornadoes are caused by giant, persistent thunderstorms known as supercells. These severe storms occur all throughout the globe, but the United States is a significant hotspot, with around 1,000 tornadoes every year. Tornado Alley, which comprises the eastern states of South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, northern Texas, and eastern Colorado, is often the site of the most violent and catastrophic tornadoes. Every year, tornadoes in the United States kill 80 people and injure over 1,500 more. A tornado is a violently spinning column of air that moves from a thunderstorm to the ground. A gloomy, greenish sky is typically a portent. Black storm clouds gather. A hailstorm the size of a baseball may fall. A funnel arises out of nowhere, as if it had descended from a cloud. The funnel strikes the ground and roars onward, sounding like a freight train coming. The tornado rips apart everything in its path. Every state in the United States has seen tornadoes, but Texas has the highest yearly average at 120. Tornadoes have been documented in Great Britain, India, Argentina, and other nations, although they are most common in the United States. Like tornadoes, waterspouts are feeble twisters that originate over warm water. They may occasionally migrate inland and form tornadoes. Dust devils are tiny, fast-spinning air columns that are noticeable because to the dust and grime they gather up. Dust devils are not associated with thunderstorms. Fire tornadoes, which may be caused by wildfires, are another possibility. Supercells, or massive thunderstorms with rotating winds, produce the most powerful tornadoes. Approximately 1 in every 1,000 storms develops into a supercell, and 1 in every 5 or 6 supercells produces a tornado. Tornadoes may occur at any time of year, but they are more prevalent during a specific season that starts in early spring in the Gulf of Mexico states. The jet stream follows the seasons, and tornado activity increases as it moves northward. May has the most tornadoes of any month, but April's twisters might be more severe. Tornadoes are more prevalent farther north later in the summer. Tornadoes may occur at any time of day or night, although the majority develop in the late afternoon. By this point, the sun has heated the land and atmosphere enough to cause thunderstorms. Tornadoes arise when warm, humid air meets cold, dry air. Thunderstorms are often formed when denser cold air is forced over warm air. The warm air rises through the cooler air, creating an updraft. If the wind changes direction or speed abruptly, the updraft will begin to spin. As the revolving updraft, known as a mesocycle, takes in additional warm air from the advancing thunderstorm, its rotation speed rises. Cool air from the jet stream, a powerful belt of wind in the atmosphere, offers even more energy. A funnel cloud is formed by water droplets suspended in the moist air of the mesocyclone. The funnel grows and ultimately drops from the cloud. When it hits the earth, it turns into a tornado. The typical twister is around 660 feet wide and travels at 30 miles per hour. Most do not go more than 6 miles before dying. Massive tornadoes, on the other hand, may travel at speeds of up to 300 miles per hour, causing massive devastation and numerous fatalities. These readings represent scientists' best estimates. Anemometers, which measure wind speed, are incapable of recording tornadoes due to their high power. The Fujita scale, which ranges from F0 to F5, quantifies the strength of a tornado by examining the damage caused by the twister and then comparing it to the wind speeds anticipated to cause equivalent damage.